How to say no without burning relationships. Most professionals don't have a problem saying yes, they have a problem saying no. So they overcommit, get overwhelmed, and quietly lose respect. Not because they're not capable, but because they don't know how to say no the right way. Today, I'll show you how to say no clearly, professionally, without damaging relationships. Here's the real problem. People think saying no is rude, so instead they say things like, "I'll try," "Let me see," "Maybe later." That's not professional. That's avoidance, and people can feel it. Here's what happens when you avoid saying no. You create confusion, false expectations, and frustration. Because eventually, you still don't deliver, and now you look unreliable, unclear, and weak under pressure. Let's talk about professional truth. Saying no does not damage relationships. Saying no poorly does. Here's what weak no sounds like. "I'm not sure if I can. I have a lot going on. Maybe next week." This sounds unsure, indirect, and low confidence. Here's what strong professional no sounds like. "I can't take this on right now. I'm not available for this." That's it. No drama, no apology speech. The executive formula. Here's the structure. A clear no, brief reason, plus redirect if needed. Here are some examples. "I can't take this on this week. I can look at it next Monday. I'm not available for that, but I can recommend someone. I won't be able to join this meeting. Please send me the summary." Why this works? Because it shows clarity, control, respect for time. You're not rejecting the person, you're managing priorities. Stop over apologizing. This is a big mistake. "I'm so sorry. I really wish I could. I feel bad." Too many apologies, low authority. Use one simple apology if needed. "I won't be able to help with that." That's enough. Don't explain too much. If you explain too much, you sound like you're asking for permission instead of making a decision. Replace this immediately. "I'll try. Let me see. Maybe." With "I can." "I can't." This is the shift. Stop trying to be liked. Start focusing on being clear and reliable. Here's a real workplace scenario. The manager asks, "Can you take this on today?" Here's a weak response. Yeah, I'll try. I just have a few things, but maybe I can. A strong response. I can't take that on today. I can do it tomorrow morning. This is clear, respectful, and done. Boundaries equals respect. People respect clarity, consistency, and boundaries. They don't respect hesitation, confusion, or avoidance. The confidence rule. If you say no clearly, people trust you more because now they know where you stand. What to expect? Here's a quick practice. Today, try this. Instead of, I'll try, say, I can't do that today. I can do it tomorrow. My final thought. Professional communication is not about saying yes to everything. It's about saying yes to the right things and no to everything else. I'm Eric. Thanks for watching The Executive English Coach.